Hello, my friends. This is Dr. Ruiz, and I want to make an invitation. On June 7th and 8th, we're having our next occlusion workshop, and this is really the foundation of everything we do because occlusion is involved on everything that we do. From if with proper occlusal adjustment, since post-op sensitivity, broken restorations become a thing of the past. And when we manage occlusion, we can help patients have headaches and migraines. I've treated hundreds of patients with headaches and migraines. Were treated by neurologists, and we manage it with the bite. You know, sensitivity. There's so many things that we can do to help our patients when we understand occlusion. So I hope to see you there because I can tell you that this is a course that can change your practice. Thank you.